Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Lab. I'm Professor Fang. Observing all my Ivy League friends, I've seen a pattern. The students who get into Ivy League schools aren't necessarily the smartest. They are the ones who have mastered one mental skill, the focus. Today I will show you how to make this skill visible and trainable. Let's talk about the focus. Parents, you probably told your kids just to concentrate. It's something like you asking rocket just to fly. Focus isn't a magic. It's a science. Your brain has what neuroscientists call an attentional space. Think of it like a spotlight. Even though your brain can accept 11 million bits of information every single second, that spotlight is only about 40 bits wide. That is even smaller than a TikTok caption. Here is why you or your child struggles. Real focus requires two things. One, pointing that spotlight at the right target. Second, knowing when the spotlight drifts. Most study hacks fail because they only fix on number one. The secret is mastering the number two. The cycle isn't focus, get distracted, and fail. The true cycle is focus, notice the distraction, reset, and focus again. Here are two things that you can exercise. One is called the 90-second rule. When get distracted, you consciously say, I'm thinking about TikTok. Back to chemistry. You specifically say this to reconcentrate on the subject, for example, chemistry. Another thing is learn your focus range, which means you learn how long you actually can focus. For example, you can set up a 10-minute alarm and go ahead and study. After 10 minutes, self-evaluate your focus quality. For example, scoring from 1 to 5. Say 5 is excellent, 1 is totally distracted. If you score high, you can increase that 10-minute alarm. If you are distracted heavily, reduce that time. Eventually, you will have a good understanding of how long you can focus with quality. Then we can go from there. Please hit the subscribe button if you want the part 2, which is how to train your brain to improve the knowing when the spotlight shifts. And parents, comment below what's your child's biggest focus challenge. I'll reply with personalized strategy. See you next time.